model, 2015 Volkswagen Crafter Cr35 2.0 Tdi Lwb engine knocking needs repairing no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 168876. MOT, the 21st of August 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 136 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking, engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, sat-nav, parking sensors.